rice flour. Jadi pagi ini saya akan membuat peyek kacang, rempeyek kacang dari tepung beras instan. Before I ever made video of rempeyek kacang or peanut chips, crispy peanut chips, but that time I use rice that I blend, so not instant rice flour, so a bit different. So this one I made this one in Russia it's called risovaya, muka risovaya. Ini di Rusia tepung beras ada ya, tepung maizena ada. Nah, kita gunakan tepung beras. Nah, tepung sagu kalau di sini gak ada yang tapioka flour, tapi yang bisa menggantikan tepung sagu atau tepung tapioka itu krahmal. So if you want to use tapioka or sagu flour, use substitute in Russia. That's called krahmal. Nah, untuk tepung beras, but this time we only use rice flour. So I will make 2 portions because I don't want my rice flour become expired. So sorry, because soon it will be expired. Jadi tepung beras saya itu hampir expired, jadi saya gunakan 2 porsi, jadi semuanya ya, but not all, I will remain a bit. Nah, jadi bahan-bahannya kacang peanut that I already cut like this. It's up to you, you want to wash first or no. I wash first and cut into like this. Jadi kacang tanah boleh dicuci boleh enggak, terserah. Kalau saya dicuci aja ya, lebih bersih. Udah dipotong 2 seperti ini. 2 egg, 2 butir telur, 2 tablespoon of krahmal, or you can use sagu or tapioca flour if Indonesia. Nah, jadi ini tepung krahmal itu 2 sendok makan. Kalau ada tepung sagu silahkan, tepung tapioca silahkan. Ini berapa ya, 400 gram tepung beras rice flour, 400 gram of rice flour here, and we use 600 milliliter of water, 600 milliliter air, but this one I use 500 milliliter. I will add more for 100 milliliter. Jadi ini kan 500 ml ya airnya. Nah, saya akan tambah lagi 100 ml. Jadi nanti genap 600 ml. Kemudian this one already prepare. Ini kemiri, bukan kemiri. If you have candle nut, use candle nut. But in Russia there is no candle nut. You can use hazelnut like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hazelnut or candle nut if you have. Jadi 6 butir kemiri kalau ada, tapi kalau di Rusia ganti dengan kacang hazelnut. Kalau nggak ada juga kacang apa aja, kacang tanah boleh, kacang almond boleh, nggak apa-apa. Kemudian 6 siung bawang putih, 6 cloves of garlic, and then this one, which one this one? 2 teaspoon of salt, 2 sendok teh garam, and then 1/4 teaspoon, but make it double, so maybe around half teaspoon of pepper powder. Jadi 1/4 sendok teh merica bubuk dikali 2 ya, jadi 2 sendok, jadi sekitar setengah sendok teh merica. Kemudian you can add also half teaspoon or half teaspoon of instant chicken powder or mushroom powder. Jadi boleh ditambah 1/4 sendok teh kaldu instan bubuk, atau kalau nggak ada kaldu instan bubuk ya. Nah, kalau double porsi maka kasih setengah sendok teh kaldu instan. So here like this, and coriander powder, 2 teaspoonful of coriander. This one 2 sendok teh unjung ya, ketumbar bubuk. We are going to blend this with water around 100 milliliter. So we are going to blend these ingredients with 2 eggs and also 100 milliliter of 200 milliliter of water. Jadi ini kita blend dulu, nanti baru di blend sama telur, 2 butir telur sama 200 ml air. Oke. Here I already put water, 200 ml of water, 2 eggs, and also this one. I already put all ingredients here. So we're going to blend this. Jadi kita akan masukkan, saya sudah masukkan 2 butir telur, 200 ml air, kemudian bumbu yang dihaluskan tadi. Nah, sekarang kita blender. Okay, now we are going to put the remaining of water, around 300 ml of water. Kita kasih 300 ml air sisanya tadi ya. Kemudian 2 sendok makan krahmal, sagu flour or tapioca flour, like this, 2 tablespoon. I use krahmal, jadi saya gunakan krahmal. And don't forget to put also this one, rice flour, 400 gram, 400 gram tepung beras masukkan sini, kemudian blender, then you blend all. Okay, we heat our stove. Jadi kita panaskan minyaknya. Like this, the result, you can put 1 tablespoon of the blended like this, already done, and then you put peanut there on top of that. Kemudian nanti dimasukkan. So I will show you how to put that. Wait until hot, tunggu sampai panas. Jadi kasih 1 sendok makan adonan yang udah di blender tadi, kasih di atasnya nih peyek. If you like for the original recipe use kencur, but I don't have kencur, so skip that. Jadi resep aslinya itu pakai kencur. Kalau mau pakai kencur boleh, jadi 2 cm kencur. Kalau 2 kali adonan dikalikan aja jadi 4 cm kencur. Saya nggak ada, saya nggak pakai ya. If you like lime leaf, you can use, but I don't have, so I will skip that. I just skip that. I think it's already like this. Wait. Okay, we're going to put like this. Make sure you put it here first, don't put directly there. And then shower with cooking oil like this. Nah, jadi seperti ini. For it, you just put like that. Same for next time. Jadi sama seperti yang tadi ya. This is like this. Masih belum cantik ya. Udah nggak apa-apa. Latihan. The more you practice how to make rempeyek, kacang, peanut, crispy chips, then the more experience you are. More practice. Ini seperti ini. Like this. I forgot to add 100 ml of water. So before I said 300 ml for the remaining of water, but you should put 400 ml of the remaining of water, because in this recipe you should use 600 ml. I totally forgot. So no wonder it becomes thick. Jadi saya lupa nambahkan 100 ml ya. Tadi saya ngomong 300 ml dari sisa air. Harusnya 400 ml. Tapi nggak apa-apa, ini enak juga. Nah, jadi tadi saya tambahkan lagi. Karena ini sudah sedikit, because it's already small, I just add 50 ml of water. But if you not yet fry yet, then add 100 ml of water. So become like this. See? Not thickest. I will show you later. This one, they're still good. I'm going to eat to make sure that it is crunchy, or no. This one, crunchy. Ini enak ya. Okay, so this is it, the final result of my rempeyek kacang dengan tepung beras instan. So this is like this, very crunchy. Jadi ini hasil rempeyek kacang saya dengan menggunakan tepung beras instan atau tepung beras kemasan. Ini teksturnya lebih lebih tipis karena tadi penambahan air tadi ya. The texture of this peanut chips snack, crispy peanut chips like this. The last one, I add more for water, around 50 ml of water, because I already use half. But if not use half, then you may add more, 100 ml. Jadi seperti ini, jadi tidak tebal. Okay, you should try this at home. Very delicious and crunchy. Okay, I think that's all for today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to press notification button so you never miss our update video. Jadi jangan lupa untuk berlangganan, kemudian di share, di like, di komen, dan ditekan tombol notifikasinya supaya kamu nggak ketinggalan video-video kami selanjutnya. That's Vidanya Resin Lovers. Sampai jumpa Resin Lovers.